2. I am Ken Justin Lulot.
I'm Julie Nicolason. I'm the partner lesson. I'm Nangkas Landel R.
And today we are going to present our project about the human respiratory system. Our model shows the different parts that help us breathe, including the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, right lung, left lung, right bronchus, left bronchus, bronchus, alveoli, and diaphragm. Air enters through the nose, passes down the airways, and reaches the lungs where oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is released. The diaphragm helps control the movement of air in and out of the lungs. This system is very important because it allows our body to get the oxygen it needs to survive.
How does air enter and exit the body? Every time we breathe in fresh air, enters through our nose or mouth. It travels down the trachea and split into two bronchus that lead to our lungs. When we breathe out, the process reverses the body, pushes out carbon dioxide, the waste gas we no longer need. It's like our body way of refreshing itself with every breath.
So air once it reaches the lungs. Once the air reaches the lungs, the oxygen it moves into the bloodstream through tiny air sacs called alveoli. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a gas our body produces, moves from the blood into the lungs to be expelled. This exchange keeps our cells full of oxygen and our body balanced.
What role do the alveoli play in respiration? The bronchus act as the lungs' main passageway, guiding air deeper into smaller tubes until it reaches the alveoli. The alveoli, which look like clusters of tiny bubbles, are where the air exchange of gases happens. Oxygen goes into the blood and carbon dioxide leaves it. Their small but huge job in keeping us alive.
How does the respiratory system work with the circulatory system? The respiratory system and the circulatory system are the partners in the keeping us alive. The respiratory system fills the blood with the oxygen and the circulatory system carries the oxygen to every cell in the body. It collects carbon dioxide from the cells and delivers it back to the lungs to be released together. They make sure every part of the body gets the oxygen it needs to function.
Is very important for the body. Breathing is what keeps life going. It gives our body oxygen, which our cells use to create energy for everything we do. Walking, thinking, playing, and even sleeping. Breathing also helps remove carbon dioxide, preventing harmful buildup inside